Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do split screen on Google Chrome on your PC step by step. Split screen lets you view two websites or browser windows side by side, making it easier to multitask. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, open the two websites or tabs that you want to view side by side. If both websites are in the same window, drag one tab away from the tab bar until it opens in a new Chrome window. Now you should have two separate Chrome windows. Click and hold the title bar of the first Chrome window. Drag it to the left edge of your screen until you see a transparent outline, then release the mouse button. The window will automatically snap to the left half of the screen. Next, click on the second Chrome window. Drag it to the right edge of your screen until you see the outline, then release the mouse button. The second window will snap to the right half of the screen. You can now use both Chrome windows side by side. To adjust the size of each window, drag the divider in the middle to the left or right. If you want to exit split screen, simply drag one of the windows away from the edge or click the Maximize button at the top of the window. And that's it. You've successfully used split screen in Google Chrome on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.